If you see, I have a huge scar here. The bone on my arm was actually rubbing against my collarbone where it's joined. It came to a point where the pain began to bother me more than it should, to the point where I couldn't even put on a t-shirt properly without suffering a bit pain. Pulling seat belt, those kind of actions. Simple actions gave me pain. My name is Kalai Vanen. I'm a Para Powerlifter. I'm with Team Singapore. Started the sport of Para Powerlifting in 2015. Para Powerlifting was actually a Paralympic sport. Perhaps I can go somewhere with the sport. Any athlete's dream of doing anything, right? Not to be able to do something that they love again was heartbreaking. My surgeon said to me was, if you are thinking of this surgery, you may not be able to live again. I had a shoulder replacement. Cut open, remove my arm slightly, cut the top of the bone off from my arm, dig a hole inside, put an implant to mimic how the arm bone will look like at the top, and then on this side carve something in and then put a plate in so that they can glide properly. So that's what I have. First 3 months, I was in a sling. Well, I think you can't sleep, you can't wash your cell, everything is, you know what I mean? Once I'm off the sling, let's see whether I can do a little bit of what I used to do. My heaviest I lifted in competitions, 160 kilo. All I did was try to hold a bar, which I couldn't hold for 5 seconds. If you can't hold a bar for 5 seconds, there's no point pushing the bar. Weights added were pathetic. It was like 1 kilo on one side, 1.5 kilo on one side. That's how we progressed slowly. That whole process took me about 1 year. I must tell you, it's a fairly painful process mentally and physically. You're trying to push yourself, but the advice is to take it slowly. Be comfortable at the limit before you push the limit, the border a bit out. But then again, I realized that as I improve, my age also caught up. So it's a tempering of, okay, what can you do at this age and how much can you press? Okay, do you still want to be competitive or do you want to still maintain just being fit and being active? How did it feel like when I could go back to about 80%? It's quite exhilarating actually. I actually did 145 in the World Disability Games in Thailand. I won myself a couple of gold medals. The human body is very adaptable, given whatever condition or whatever situation. If you give it time, you will be able to adjust to what you want it to do. If you do nothing, you are going to get worse. If you do something, you may not be able to do it as well as you did before, but at least you are not getting worse. My sports psychologist teaches us what's important now, the acronym WIN, because we have to be focused. We have trained for that particular moment that we are going to be competing. A lot of things can go wrong, a lot of things can go right, but it doesn't matter. You just do what you are required to do. Forget about everything else. So that's how you get to where you want to go. If you keep focusing on the goal, then you will make mistakes. So you need to focus on what you need to do to get to that goal. And the goal will somehow rather come to you.